Such a premi bhakta was bound up Krishna in his heart with the rope of love. কৃষ্ণ যে তোমার কৃষ্ণ দিতে পারো, তোমার শকুতি আছে, আমি যে কাঙ্গাল কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি, ধায় তো আছে পাচ্ছে, isn't it? Narottam Das Thakur. Oh, Vaishnava Thakur, Krishna belongs to you. Yes, you are bound up Krishna. Krishna belongs to you. Only you can give me Krishna. I am Kangal. I am bereft of Krishna, Kangal, pauper. Poor man runs behind a wealthy man. Give me your sar, give me 1 penny, oh sar, give me 1 penny, oh sar, give me 1 penny. Isn't it? Similarly, I am Kangal. I am bereft of being bereft of Krishna. Oh Vaishnava Thakur, you, Krishna belongs to you. Only you can give me Krishna, give me Krishna, running behind him, running behind him. Not living is leech-like tenacity, leech-like. Understand me? Leech-like tenacity. Understand my language? Have you seen leech? Yes. Getting out, leech-like tenacity. Yeah, no, give me Krishna. Oh, not living. Leech-like tenacity. Yes. Understand me? Yes, that is needed. Then Sadhguru will shower his mercy on you. Because their heart, Shyam Sundar is there in their heart. If you can get such a sadhu, get his mercy, then he can transfer Krishna from his heart to your heart. Yes, he has Shakti. He can make Krishna appear in your heart. Yes, he can make Krishna appear in your heart. Krishna listens to him. Understand? Best.